Stay home and let me do the process. I can drop the dishwasher's going. Okay, look. The cabinet door is open. I gotta wait to see if my mother's ready. Mom, are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
No, we're not gonna go for a while yet.
Are you kidding me? I got a jacket on.
Let your tummy rest.
I'll just hang out here with this girl. That girl. She's like, I don't care. Annie. Annie. Are you so beautiful? Yes, you are. Annie Joe. Annie Joe. You poor girl, yes. Yeah. I love her, guys. You didn't have to move. Stay. Well, there she goes. Well, that goes Annie. There goes Annie. On another adventure. I don't know where she's headed. I think she was headed to see Mom. Annie. Annie, get back here. I love Annie. I love her to death. Of my sins and sorrows. Actually, I do need to put my new jacket on. That I got from Walmart. So give me like a minute or two. And I gotta go to the bathroom. Boom. Well, there goes my fingernail. I don't know if you can tell. Right there. See my fingernail? Where's that Walmart bag? It is. Found it. Hey, there it is. You like Ashley's new jacket? Kind of like it. Ow. 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 All right. Whoops. Yeah, daisies. Whoops, daisies. Now the tag. I have this. No, I had 3 tags. 3 or 4 tags on me. You like it? I like it. I kind of like it, guys. Now I gotta fix my hair. I wish I had you guys on my other stick. Hey! Ew.
Bless you.
Ew. Thank you. Oh. I'm looking down instead of up. Remember this, Mike? I do. See if it's in here. Hey, it is. Can I transfer you guys on there? The heck? Is there a way I can take this off? Oh yeah. Hold on. There must be a way to take you guys off. Huh. I don't know what. Okay. There's supposed to be another piece to it. I think there was supposed to be another piece to it. I don't like this piece because it swivels. This is what I want. But how do I put you guys on here? This is harder than I thought. But that's alright. So when you guys are with me, it gets a lot. Dude, I'm sweating. Why am I sweating? Probably thinking, why did you just use your other coat to wipe your head off? Well, I couldn't find a towel, so I used it. I really do like this jacket. This is really cool. And there goes the thing again. Bouncing again. It's bouncing again.
Oh boy.
Excuse me. Excuse me, can we go?
20 minutes, 10 o'clock.
Excuse me, I got hiccups. Got winter jam hat. This hat will get me out of my face. It's tight. I made it tight. I don't know why. It's getting my hair out of my face. You like to see my beautiful face? I love you guys so much. I got water. Woo. Drink H2O. It's good for us. It's good for us. H2O is good for us, Annie. Don't care. She don't care. You don't care, huh? Smoky Boke. This kid does not care. Whatever I'm saying or doing, sometimes Annie just ignores me. She likes to ignore me a lot. Annie, why are you ignoring me? Right? The lighting in here is not that great. Where did I put my wallet? Ouch! Ooh. Hurt me. Elbow. Nope, not in that pocket. I cleaned and organized this. Now I can't find my... Is that a hat? I guess that's another hat. Where did I put my wallet? Where did I put my wallet? Who moved my wallet? Mommy. Mom? I'm gonna kill you. Actually, maybe it's in here. Nope. Where did I put my wallet? Where did I put my wallet? Well, Smash Kids, I love you. Stay awesome and peace.